successful online business needs the ability to offer different prices to different types of customers, rewarding the customers who buy in bulk with special prices, and to have the ability to update the prices as soon as they are changed. X2x eCommerce provides this ability to manage the prices from Dynamics-GP. All you need to do is to map the GP price level to Magento Customer Groups, and the rest is taken care of by X2x eCommerce. It is a very simple process. When you change the prices in Dynamics-GP for the various price levels, including the price breaks, they are automatically updated in Magento eCommerce. Do you want to see a demo of how it works? Call X2x eCommerce and schedule a demo.